Hello, dear friend. Welcome to our channel. My name is Hossein Mardani. Today, we are gonna talk about how to subtraction the mixed number or mixed fraction. So here we have two mixed fraction, 7 1/2 and 5 3/4. How to subtract these two numbers? So let's read the question. Calculate the following subtraction. The question asks us to subtraction these two numbers. 7 1/2 minus 5 and 3/4. How to subtract these two numbers? So we know how to subtract the normal number. They can easily subtract from each other. So now we have the mixed number. So how to subtract these form of number? So here we can write the number as easily understand what to subtract them. We can separate the whole number and fraction number. So one method is to separate the whole part and fractional part from each number. So, for example, we can write 7 and 1/2 to 7 plus 1/2 and 5 and 3/4 as 5 plus 3/4 and subtract each part from together. But we will talk about this method later. First of all, we can solve this problem by the shape. So we will try to draw the shape of each mixed fraction. For example, for 7 and 1/2, we can draw 7 whole number and a 1/2 part of a circle. So here we have 7 and 1/2 number. As you can see here, the shape of the 7 and 1/2 fraction. Then we can draw the 5 and 3/4 number. So we can draw 5 circle. So here I just read the fraction, and to detect it I draw the red circle. So 5 circle and 3/4 of a 1 unit of circle. So here I divide the circle into 4 parts and color 3 parts of 4 parts. So here we can see the 5 and 3/4 number. And then we can subtract these two shapes together. So easily we can move the bottom fraction into the right to subtract it easier. And here the fractional part is right in one column. The 1/2 at the above number and 3/4 at the bottom number is in one column. So we can subtract 1/2 from 3/4. But the problem is 1/2 is less than 3/4. So what can I do here? Here we can borrow a unit of circle from whole circle at the left side. So here we can borrow the whole number in the left side and divide it into 4 parts. So here we can calculate the part of the above number to subtract it from the below number. So at the above number we have 6 parts, and in the below number we have 3 parts. So when we subtract these two numbers, The fractional part is, as you can see here, we can we can subtract these two numbers. As you can see, we have 3/4 of a fractional circle. And for the whole number, we can move the bottom number into the left side to subtract it easier. So do it now, and the whole circle at the above number is 6, and the whole circle in the bottom number are 5. So 6 minus 5 gives us the 1 unit of circle. So here we have 1 unit of circle. Notice that the whole circle at the above number had been divided into 4 parts in the previous section. So we just subtract the number 6 from number 5. So here we have 1 and 3/4 as I write above equation. So as you can see, we have 1 and 3/4 as a result of subtraction, and easily we can obtain the subtraction operation from the shapes. As I said before, we can do it by another method. So without drawing any shape, we can give the common denominator of two fraction parts. So 1/2 and 3/4 have the 4 as common denominator. To reach the common denominator, we have to multiply the denominator of 1/2 cross 2 to reach the number 4. And to equalize the fraction, we have to cross the numerator of the fraction into number 2. So do it now, and we can get to the number of 7 and 2/4 as the fraction of the left side of number. So we now easily subtract these two numbers from together. 7 and 2/4 minus 5 and 3/4. How to subtract these two numbers? 2/4 is less than 3/4. So here we can divide so here we can write the number 7 as 6 plus 1. And a unit of 1 can change into a fraction. So 1 can be changed into 4/4. And 4/4 plus 2/4 gives us the number 6/4. So here we can easily subtract the 6/4 from 3/4. And we can get the number 3/4 as fractional part. And then we can easily subtract the whole number from together. 6 minus 5 gives us the number 1. So here we can obtain the number 1 as whole part of the fraction or mixed number. So again, we can reach into the number 1 and 3/4 without drawing any shape. And here is an advanced method for reaching these to obtain the subtraction operation. So as you can see, here we can easily calculate the mixed number of subtraction. Okay, hope you enjoy from this video. Until the next video, have fun and goodbye.